Section 2.2, example 5, solving a rational equation by factoring the denominator. Solve the rational equation. All right, so they do it slightly different in the book, but I'm going to try my best to kind of combine everything that we've done so far. Our LCD, least common denominator, is going to be something that's divisible by x, by 10, and by 4x. So starting off with this part here, let's start with x. So x divided by x is equal to 1. That crushes all of the fractions, so we're good there. And next we're going to do 10. So x divided by 10, we have a fraction. So what I'm going to do, I see that we have that denominator of 10. What I'm going to do is multiply by 10 and see if that helps. So we have 10x now. So 10x, we're going to divide that by 10. And 10's divide out, leaving us with x. So now all the fractions are gone there. Let's try this 4x. So 10x divided by 4x. X's divide out. We have 10 divided by 4. That would be 5 over 2. It looks like if we just multiply it by 2, 2 is our denominator that we're still working with. If we multiply this by 2, it should give us something that we could use. So 2 times 10 is 20. So 20x. And let's see. 20x divided by x gives us a whole number, no more fractions. 20x divided by 10 gives us 2x, no more fractions. 20x divided by 4x. It divides that out and we're left with 5. So crushed all of the denominators. And that works. So here our LCD ends up being x. So what are 20x? So what we're going to do is multiply 20x to both sides and see what we end up with. So 1 over x is equal to 1 over 10 minus 3 over 4x. And we're multiplying both sides by 20x. And let's see what we end up with. So 20 times 1 is 20x over x. Here we have 1 times 20x. That's 20x over 10 minus 3 times 20x is 60x divided by 4x. Here the x's divide out. 20 divides out with 10 2 times. X's divide out. 60 divides out with 4 15 times. And let's see what we are left with. Here we have 20 is equal to 2x minus 15. So here we're going to add 15 to both sides, leaving us with 2x is equal to 35. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 35 over 2. And now let's see if it works. One over 35 over 2 is equal to 1 over 10 minus 3 over 4 times 35 over 2. All right, a couple of different things going on here. So we could start off with the left side. To get it to a normal fraction, we're going to multiply by the denominator in the denominator. So multiply both top and bottom by 2. So multiply 2 here and 2 here. And those two are going to divide out. 1/10 minus 3 here we have that 4 times 35/2. 4 is divisible by 35, or 4 is divisible by 2, so those fractions end up simplifying a little bit better. And let's see what we have. So 2/35 is equal to 1/10 minus 3/2 times 35 is 70. And now on the right side, we need to rationalize these so we could add them together. So there we can multiply by 7. That's going to give us 70. 2/35. 7/70 minus 3/70. And now that we have the denominators exactly the same on the right side, we could add or subtract across the top, leaving us with 7 minus 3 is 4/70. And I see that both the numerator and denominator are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 7 divided by 2 is 35. So that leaves us with 2/35 is equal to 2/35, which is exactly the same, which tells us that this is our one and only solution here. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.